here is to the bold ones, the rebels, the leaders, the visionaries, the ones with expandable brains, the ones with a courageous heart. They don't compromise. They believe anything is possible. They see the future. They morph into it and not away from it. They know it's the only way to grow. They challenge everything. They push away the past. They see what others can't. They are above it all. Being laughed at doesn't stop them. It motivates them to pursue their dreams. This is why they made it. This is why they changed the lives of millions. Welcome to the future, a place where the real world converges with virtual reality, augmented reality, and other advanced technologies to create unprecedented levels of social interaction, creativity, and commerce. The place where users can interact with a fully immersive, three-dimensional world. A place where reality and fantasy blend seamlessly. A place where anything is possible.